How to create a new circle on Life360. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a new circle on Life360, go ahead and install the application that is easily available for you in your App Store or Play Store. Once installed, tap Open your Life360 app. Make sure that you are logged in into your Life360 application. Now, if your application is up to date, you will see a plus sign icon right here in your dashboard. As you can see, my app is not yet updated. In that case, there is an alternative way that I'm gonna share with you. All you have to do is simply tap on the setting gear option in your left hand corner. From here, tap on the option of circle management. From here, you will see the option of leave circle. You just have to go ahead and tap on leave circle, then tap on yes. Since you are the admin of the circle, all the members that you have added in the circle will be immediately removed. Now, to create a new circle, all you can do is tap on the setting gear option, select on circle management, then just tap on add circle members. Now you can send your code to the members that you want to add in your circle. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.